So this second warning target's a little bit faster than the first one. Okay, a lot faster than the first one. Um, all of the exterior angles for a polygon add up to 360 degrees. Doesn't matter how many sides the polygon has, the sum of the exterior angles is always 360. So if one of them is 45, and I did put on the board and I did say verbally to change this to a regular polygon. Some people didn't see that part and then told me it only works if it's regular. You are absolutely right. Please change your test the next time. Then you don't have to write me the note. But if you notice that, that's good because you knew it had to be regular for this to work. So when you take 360 divided by 45, you find that this thing has to have 8 sides. Now, you need to show me some work on this. You cannot directly get A, B, and C because we need to use the exterior angles. We know that the sum of those exterior angles is 360, but we have a couple that are missing. So I'm going to show my work to get this one, and I'm just going to show my work out to the side, but I can know where that work came from. I'm going to take 180 and subtract out the 82 to find that this is a 98-degree angle. I'm going to find this one by taking 180 and subtracting the 134 to find that this is a 46-degree angle. Yes, you need to show this work. And not just out here somewhere. Either I label these with variables that haven't already been used, like R and S or something, and then I show out here that I'm finding R by doing 180 minus 82, and I label this R, or I do what I just did. Once I have those, I know that the sum of all of these exterior angles, and here are my exterior angles, all together these have to be 360 degrees. So I'm going to set up an equation. I'm going to take my x plus my 2x plus my 3x plus my 72 plus my 46 plus my 98, and together those have to equal 360. So when I add these three together, I get 6x. Subtract these three from 360 to move them to the other side, I get 6x equals 144, and then dividing by 6, x itself equals 24 degrees. So, if I know this is 24 degrees, I can show this work. 3 times 24 makes this 72 degrees. 2 times 24 makes this 48 degrees. And again, I can either put this work out here, 2x equals 2 times 24 equals 48, or I can just write the work in here. And then this is 24 degrees. So my work to actually find A, it's a linear pair with that 24-degree angle, so 180 minus 24 makes A 108-degree angle. Again, notice the level of work I'm showing. It's not just scratch work. You can look at this figure, you can see exactly how I got this value. This value I got right here. A, I didn't put the work in here because it was starting to get pretty cramped, but if I'm finding A, I'm showing down here, here's how I'm finding A. To find B, it's going to be 180 minus the 48 degrees that I just found. So B ends up being 132 degrees. And to find C, it's going to be 180 minus the 72 I just found. So C is going to be 108 degrees. And I messed up on A. Sorry about that. I was in a hurry, so I will fix that now. A is 156 degrees.